the middle of
Kuala Lumpur.
kind of semi-industrial area, and yet there's a cocoa tree, cacao tree.
Yeah.
Amazing.
This tree was planted in 2010, so it's 13 years old now. And it's planted, well, all trees come from a seed, but this one is particularly worth mentioning because the main fruiting trunk isn't grafted. So it's a hybrid technically. However, it has been grafted ever since, and we have several clonal genetics which are grafted onto this mother tree, and it's at the end of its fruiting season right now. You can see there are different shaped pods hanging from the tree, and most of them are ripe for harvesting as we speak. And this is still within Kuala Lumpur, and I often joke that we make chocolate out of these pots, and it's the only KL origin that's possible.